Welcome to Skydecor's step-by-step guide to installing Soffito panels. In this video, we are taking you through the full process from start to finish, where you will learn how to install our panels on a ceiling using the correct methods for a clean, seamless and long-lasting finish. Step 1 is site inspection. Since today's installation is on a ceiling, we begin by checking the area thoroughly. This includes the surface condition, any existing fixtures or obstacles, and the overall layout. A clear inspection helps us plan the panel placement better and ensures that there are no surprises left during installation. Next up is water labeling. This is a manual yet reliable way to check the true level of the ceiling. We use a transparent pipe filled with water and mark consistent reference points across the area. As water always finds its level, this step ensures that the ceiling line remains uniform, which is key to a neat and aligned final look. Now we begin with vertical paneling or vertical supports. This step lays the initial support system for the framework above. It helps distribute the weight evenly and provides better stability, especially for suspended ceiling installations. Vertical supports also ensure that the grid remains level and fixed during the entire process. Once the vertical supports are in place, we start with the framework setup using a GI frame. Today, we're using GI, but aluminium is also an option. The recommended grid size is 3 by 1 feet. Why is this important? If the grid is too large, the panels can sag or misalign. If it's too small, you compromise flexibility and airflow. Sticking to the ideal size ensures better alignment, strength, and long-term durability. Next comes the J-trim installation. This forms the boundary frame where each Soffito panel will be placed. We start by measuring each side and then cut the J-trim using an XO blade or a standard cutting blade. Edges are cut at an angle so that the corners join neatly without any visible gap. Once ready, we fit the trim into the GI track and screw it in place, maintaining equal spacing on all 4 sides. The trim's color and finish should always match the Soffito panels to maintain visual uniformity. Now, it's time to install the Soffito panels. Start by measuring the length required and then cut the panels. They are lightweight, easy to handle and simple to modify on site. Here's how the installation works. Slide the first panel into the J-trim from one end. Make sure it's aligned properly and sitting flush on all sides. Then, screw it into the GI track using the designated gaps. This keeps the surface clean and free of bulges. Once the panel is secure, take the second panel and interlock it into the edge of the first panel. It clicks right into place, tight and seamless. Repeat the process. Cut, place, screw, interlock. Continue until the entire ceiling is neatly covered. It's that simple and that efficient. And that's it. The Soffito panels are now fully installed. As you can see, the ceiling looks aligned, elegant and professionally finished, ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. Thanks for watching this installation guide from Skydecor.